How to fix if WhatsApp has banned your number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily unban your WhatsApp number. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for WhatsApp and make sure you have successfully updated this application. And once you have successfully updated your app, I want you to just click on it and come over here inside this app support. Just click on it and you will be seeing this developer website. So simply tap on it and it will redirect you to official this WhatsApp page. So simply tap on this hamburger icon at the top left and just click on help center from over here. And once you click on help center, just scroll all the way down until you see this contact us option, so which will take you to this page. And so just click on this WhatsApp messenger support, since it's your WhatsApp messenger being banned. So to unban it, here you will have to contact your WhatsApp support just by providing your phone number over here and your email address, as well as you confirming your email address and the device in which you use the WhatsApp, and just enter the following message. So let me just show you. So once you type in the following message describing your problem, just remember that your account might be banned accidentally, because sometime you may have accidentally repeatedly sent the message to some user within a particular limited time. So that might happen from time to time. So from over here, just click on next step and you will have to click on send. So from over here, just after filling all the details, just click on next step and you just have to click on this send question, and the customer team of WhatsApp will contact you within 24 hours in your provided particular Gmail, and they will help you fix your account to unban it just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.